Hey there, car enthusiasts. Ever been driving and heard a strange noise coming from your car? It can be pretty alarming, right? Well, today, I'm here to help you understand what those noises might be and what could be causing them. First up, we have squealing or screeching brakes. If you hear a sharp, high-pitched noise when you apply the brakes, it could be a sign of worn brake pads. Sometimes it might just be dust or debris in the brakes, but it could also be glazed rotors. Either way, it's worth getting checked out. Next, if you hear a knocking noise from the engine, especially during acceleration, it could be due to low-quality fuel or engine timing issues. Worn spark plugs or low oil pressure can also cause that rhythmic knocking or tapping sound. Make sure to check your oil levels and consider using higher octane fuel. Now let's talk about clicking or ticking sounds under the hood. If you notice a rapid ticking noise that increases with engine speed, it might be due to low oil levels, exhaust leaks near the manifold, or worn valve train parts like lifters and camshaft lobes. Keeping your oil topped up and addressing any leaks can help prevent this. Another common noise is a humming or groaning sound from under the car. This low-pitched hum that gets louder with vehicle speed could be caused by wheel bearing issues, uneven tire wear, or transmission problems. It's essential to inspect your tires and bearings regularly to avoid more significant issues down the road. If you hear rattling or clunking, especially over bumps, it could be due to loose exhaust parts like heat shields, suspension or steering issues, or even loose interior components. Addressing these problems early can save you a lot of headaches and potential repairs later on. Lastly, there's the whining or whirring noise. This continuous high-pitched sound that increases with speed or RPM might indicate power steering problems, transmission issues, or a failing alternator. Keeping an eye on your fluids and getting regular maintenance can help prevent these problems. Remember, while some noises are minor and easily fixed, others can indicate serious issues. If you're ever unsure about the cause of a sound or if it persists, don't hesitate to consult Chantilly Service Center for an honest assessment. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips and advice. Stay safe out there, and happy driving.